So that plant was kicked out. It was kicked out because it was sad in there.
Well, it already looks better out here.
Yeah, it does. Well, it's summertime and the pond's looking very nice. Got some of that new bark in there and a couple new plants over there. Yeah, it looks excellent. We're gonna give this camera to Grandma, and so she can take a video of us, right?
Hey, 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 hey.
Oh, you're zooming out and zooming in?
I don't know what I'm doing. But when you turn this on, she looks straight at it because she knows it's a camera.
Yeah. Say hi. Say hi to everybody.
I got you zoomed in, so don't come any closer.
Say hi to all the YouTubers.
She was looking right through the donut. You could see her
Oh,
facial
yeah?
features right in the middle of the little donut. You'll have to stop and make that a snapshot.
Yeah. You don't like cantaloupe, do you? No. How come?
I tried to give him some. What do you got there?
Look at all your hair. You've got lots of hair.
She does.
Yeah.
On the back too, it's coming in pretty thick.
Nice.
It's just so blonde, it's hard to see it.
Mm-hmm.
You can come sit.
Okay.
Hello, pumpkin face. Nope, you can't have it, Miss Snot Nose.
Oh.
Give her a kiss. Oh, love. Give her a kiss. She wants a kiss.
I don't do kisses.
I do.
I'll
She
do
loves
a little one now.
kisses.
That's all you get.
What you doing? Want a drink of water? No. What do you mean no? I think she actually answered me a few times. She said, uh-huh.
I believe she has. You're that smart, aren't you?
She
Yes,
really
you
is.
are.
It's not because we're the grandparents either. I'm telling you, that girl answered me. Hey, Miss Poopy Drawers. Hey, Poopy. Uh-huh. I see it. Yeah. I see that look in your eye.
What'd she say? I didn't
No,
do
I
it.
see
I
that look in
didn't
her eye.
do
She's
it.
doing her business. She usually likes to be. Oh, yeah.
Oh, is this like a private affair thing?
Yeah, she doesn't want to do it while she sits in your lap.
Well, you have some courtesy,
Look at
don't
her.
you?
What are you doing?
Yes, you do.
Yes, you are cute. Oh, yes, you are. Hang on there, little busybody. Hey, Miss Busybody.
Yeah.
She's out of it.
It's the slobber.
And a lot more.
Wild animal. I think we're missing either red or purple. I didn't know what the...
Oh,
Is there 4 or 5
well, there's probably 5 colors. There somewhere.
I'm at Alder Lake today, and I'm on a fishing trip. We're gonna be fishing here today.
Yeah, I'm a very slow boat.
Oh, it's okay. No, we don't need to be that fast, do we?
This is for trolling. For trolling, what do you call it?
Wonder how
Yeah.
deep this one is. You can't see the bottom.
I think those are our guys up there.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, right up there.
See what's around the corner. We'll get one line with. Unless somebody wants to go in. I got down fishing pole. I need to set it up. You got that half worm.
We just seen a bald eagle over there.
I gotta get used to I gotta probably put more weight on mine. I don't know.
Get a waterline picture.
Yeah,
So this one's been cut in half and it's all like.
Yep. Wow. Alive, it's a male and a female on each side.
It's a nice looking mountain up there. Now there's a bald eagle. I'm gonna reach in and grab a fish here in a minute. He's working on the motor.
I don't know, I'm trying to get this rope to go up in front, just in case we have to get towed.
So what about this rope right here?
Yeah, we have one
rope
up
you got
there.
up front.
Is that good enough?
And this is the park over here. It's really nice. Got some set up over there. We got some kid stuff over there. It's very nice. We went down through there and it looks great. There's a dam over there.
Butterfly koi.
We got a what?
Butterfly koi.
A brand new butterfly koi in the little bag over there.
No, that's the Oranda.
Oh, that's
That's the
yeah.
brainchild
Oh yeah.
that we're replacing.
And some new summertime food.
And another koi. We got a butterfly and then a regular koi. And that regular koi, he wants out. He does. He sees all the fish and he's like, I'm trapped. They got me trapped in this bag.
Why am I in this bag and where are we going?
And now the butterfly koi, he's getting a little excited too. He wants out.
Yeah.
He sees everybody else's food.
Well, the other
he's
fish are
only-
checking him out.
Well, let him out.
Let him out.
Yeah.
Cut the bag open.
Yeah, the water's not that cold.
Oh, okay.
Little brainchild has had one yet.
No, I don't think he has either. That new orange one there likes to jump out of the water. There he goes.
Did you
I like
did
it.
you catch him
Yeah,
on camera?
I did.
That's funny.
Yeah, he's a flipper. I might call him
Oh,
Flipper.
he just did it again, John. He just loves the freedom of jumping out of the...
I might have to call him Flipper.
I think he just loves that freedom because he couldn't do that in the store.
Yeah, no, no, because they had a glass lid on top.
Mm-hmm.
Every time he'd jump up, he'd hit his head on the lid. You don't have a lid here. Yeah, maybe do that one.
Oh, the catfish just snagged a piece of food.
I put that one on it now. You're on a killing spree?
Yep.
Well, it's the 3rd of July. 15. And yeah, it's that time of year you got to get rid of some bees. I got some out of that birdhouse over there, and yeah, I put a bag over them and let it sit for 2 weeks. That worked pretty good. Wasp or yellow jackets, I can't really.
You better get out of my way, because if I'm booking it,
I'll back way off. Ready, fire, aim. You got them pretty good?
You seen anything drop?
Not yet. Well, maybe a few dropped. I didn't. Oh, there goes one.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, now you're gonna get the one in the front.
We'll let that one calm down.
Okay.
There's none on the back?
I don't think so.
They're soaked.
They're soaked? Good, finally we got rid of them.
Yeah, well, I see some on the ground. There's none over here?
I think on the inside, way up at the top, and I'm not going to worry about them just yet. I think it's only 2 or 3 bees. I'm not sure why there's only 2 or 3, but... yeah, when they were in that birdhouse, there was hundreds of them.